Namaste, my name is Ajay. Welcome to Rishikesh Nath Yogshala. In this video, I'm going to tell you the postures and the movement of neck, which is very useful and good for the relieving the pain of your neck. Because nowadays, as you see, sitting in the computers or even with the wrong postures, we start feeling pain in the neck, and which also descend to the spinal cord. So I'm going to show you a very small, very easy movement of the neck, which will really help to release tension and stress from the neck, from your neck muscles, from the shoulder muscles. So it's very easy. You have to sit, or you can also do it in standing one. So I'm doing it in the sitting postures. So you'll stay erect, keeping your back and neck straight. So first we are going to do extension and flexion, the backward bending and forward bending of the neck. So just watch me. You'll inhale and exhale. Flex the neck. So on the inhalation, you are extending, feeling stretch on the throat. And then on the exhalation, you're flexing, stretching the neck muscles. You will inhale and back, and you will exhale, bend forward. So this movement you can do 5 to 10 times, releasing the stress from the neck. We are going to the next movement, which is lateral rotation. So just watch me again. And stay in the center, keep your back neck straight. Inhale, stretch left side, and then you stretch the shoulder and neck, and then exhale. Now turn your right side and stretch the left neck and the shoulder, these muscles, and relax 3 to 5 times. In the last position, you have to hold your breath and feel the more stretch. So you'll inhale and hold your breath inside, feeling stretch all these muscles, which goes from neck to the shoulders. Holding your breath and feeling stretch, and then exhale. So you have to hold your breath for as long as you feel comfortable. Then inhale, hold your breath, and then stretch. Mentally, you have to feel stretch in these muscles. The stretch, the energy flows this way, from ear, from your neck to the shoulder, and this actually releases the tension. So inhale and exhale, inhale and exhale 5 times. And in the final pose, you have to hold breath and feeling stretch. One more is lateral flexion. So you'll stay here, you'll inhale. This time flex, try to touch ear to the shoulder. And the same thing, you have to feel stretch. Exhale. Inhale. Feeling stretch here, exhale. You have to do it 5 times. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And in the final position, when you hold your breath and feel the stretch. Exhale. Inhale. Hold your breath inside and feel stretch. And relax, exhale. So these 3 basic movements are very useful and helpful to release stress and tension from the neck, from the shoulder round. I hope this video will help you to relieving your pain from the shoulder and neck. Thank you.